You need this. Because the world isn't slowing down. While you're still processing one idea, someone else has already made 3 decisions, launched a business, and moved on. Sounds unfair. It is. But here's the truth, thinking faster isn't about being smarter. It's about training your brain to move with precision, like a machine on fire. So today, I'm going to show you how to think 10x faster, and why you literally can't afford not to. Let's break the myth. Fast thinkers aren't born, they're built. Ever had 5 thoughts in your head, and still ended up saying, I forgot what I was saying? Yeah, that's not speed thinking. That's brain traffic. Speed thinking technique number 1, mental chunking. Group information into blocks. Don't memorize 10 things. Memorize 3 groups of 3. Your brain processes patterns faster than random bits. Technique number 2, speak before you're ready. Sounds crazy, right? But it forces your brain to think as you go. Like free solo climbing. Without the falling part. Technique number 3, time compression. Give yourself deadlines for thinking. Set a 30-second timer. Solve the problem. It's not about being perfect, it's about becoming decisive under pressure. You do this daily, and your brain reprograms itself. You don't just think faster. You make decisions with calm clarity while others freeze. That's not speed. That's power. And trust me, you need it. Now tell me this. Want me to make a video on how to become unbreakable, with one emotional hack? Then comment yes below, and I'll make it next. And if you're serious about growth, tap the video on screen right now called How to Trick Your Brain into Loving Discipline. Because your brain won't move fast if you don't know how to fuel it. You need it.